In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate conversations in Slack with ChatGPT and Zapier integration. We're going to build a simple workflow that listens for activity in Slack, sends that message to ChatGPT through Zapier, and then posts the response back into Slack automatically. This is a great way to handle team questions, summarize discussions, or create an AI assistant directly inside your workspace without needing to write custom code. To begin, open your web browser, go to Zapier, and sign into your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the upper left corner and click the orange Create Zap button. This opens the automation canvas where everything will be connected step by step. Next, set up the Slack trigger. Click the first trigger box, search for Slack, and choose the official Slack integration. In the event dropdown, select the activity you want Zapier to watch for. If you only want the bot to respond when it's directly called, choose New Mention. If you want it to monitor a specific channel continuously, choose New Message Posted to Channel. Then click Continue, connect your Slack account, and approve the permissions. After that, define exactly where Zapier should listen. In the channel field, choose the Slack channel you want to monitor. Run the test trigger so Zapier can pull in a recent sample message. Check that the message text, user information, and timestamp fields appear correctly. If everything looks right, continue with that record. This test is important because it confirms Zapier is reading the right data before you build the AI step. Now add the OpenAI action by clicking the plus icon below the trigger. Search for OpenAI and select the ChatGPT integration. For the event, choose Conversation, then Continue. When prompted to connect your account, enter your OpenAI API key securely in Zapier, so the two services can communicate. In the setup area, choose a stable model. For the user message field, map the text value from the Slack trigger so the AI responds to the actual Slack message. In the system message field, write the instructions that define how your bot should behave, including tone, style, and any limits you want it to follow. For thread ID, map the thread timestamp field so replies stay inside the correct Slack thread instead of cluttering the main channel. Then continue and run a test to make sure the AI generates a response successfully. Finally, add one more action step and choose Slack again. Select Send Channel Message or Send Reply to Thread, depending on how you want the reply delivered. Map the channel to the same source channel. Map the message text to the AI's reply output, and map the thread field to the original Slack timestamp. Run one final test, confirm the message appears correctly in Slack, and then click Publish to turn the